If you got some problems, we'll be there to solve them. We're a squad who can do the job. We're a squad who can do the job. If a monster is in trouble, we'll be there on the double. We're the squad who can do the job. We're the squad who can do the job. The Monster Math Squad. The Monster Math Squad. The Monster Math Horrific, totally terrific, horribly horrific Monster Math Squad.
Missing Monster House. Oh. Look, Lily, I made Goo bigger.
I'm a big monster now! I'm small again.
The scream screen always surprises Goo.
The Scream Screen! Somewhere in Monstrovia, there's a monster in need. And whenever a monster needs our care, the Monster Math Squad will be there! Hey, it's Mrs. Huge Horn Monster!
Thank goodness you're there, Monster Math Squad. My monster house is missing.
Oh, that's strange.
I know, Max. I went shopping this morning, and when I returned home, my house was gone. Don't worry. I'm sure we can find your house by using Monster Math.
Yeah! Monster Math can solve any problem!
Because Monster Math is everywhere!
I knew I could count on you, Monster Math Squad. See you soon.
Hey, will you join the Monster Math Squad on the job?
Join the squad! Join the squad!
You will? Cool. First, we need the secret monster math word that will help us get the job done.
Word Monster!
Today's secret monster math word is size.
Next time you see Word Monster and hear him squawk, shout out the secret monster math word with us to make something math amazing happen.
Size!
Not yet, Goo. Wait until you see Word Monster again.
Oh, right.
Come on, squad, let's find the missing monster house. Mrs. Huge Horn Monster, can you tell us what your missing house looks like?
Well, why don't I show you, Max? Here's a photograph of me in front of my monster house with my darling pet Fuzzy.
Your house is very big.
And your pet Fuzzy is very small.
That tickles!
No, Fuzzy. Don't tickle the nice monster. Fuzzy sure looks a lot bigger than he did in this picture. Oh, yes. His fuzz has grown very long since then. Hasn't it, Fuzzy? that tickles! Fuzzy!
I wonder where that house went.
Hey, it's Smooth Moves Monster. He knows all the moves.
Do you know what moves we need to make to find the missing monster house?
How do monsters need to move? Listen to Smooth, get in the groove. Shake and shimmy to the street, then look down. 3 sets of footprints will be found. You'll see small, medium, and big ones if you use your eyes. Strut your stuff and follow the ones that are medium size.
Did you see Word Monster? That means we all need to shout the secret monster math word size. Are you ready? Let's shout it together. On 3. 1, 2, 3, size!
Look, it worked! A monster math monitor.
A small monster on a trampoline. A small monster and a medium monster on a trampoline. A small monster and a medium monster and a big monster on a trampoline. A big monster on a trampoline.
That was really helpful. Now we know all about small, medium, and big.
And remember, Smooth Moves Monster said that the monster house footprints we need to find are medium size.
Small, medium, and big are math words. Come on, squad. We can do this.
Let's do monster math! Let's shake and shimmy onto the street. Come on! Look, footprints!
We need to find the footprints that are medium size, not too big and not too small.
Medium ones! Which ones are they, Max? They all look kind of big compared to my foot.
We need to compare all the footprints side by side. Then we'll be able to see which ones are medium.
How? The footprints are far apart.
Leave this to me. Hey, Monster Math Monitor. Can you take a picture of each size footprint?
What's Lily doing?
Now, I'll put the picture of the footprints beside each other so we can compare their sizes.
Great idea, Lily.
Which is the biggest? Right! I'll put the big one here. And which is the smallest?
Oh, I know! That one?
Is that footprint the smallest? Nope. That is!
That was gonna be my next guess.
I'll put the small one here. And which one is the medium-sized footprint?
That one! Medium! Yay!
I'll put the medium footprint here.
Do you see the footprints on the ground that look like the medium-sized footprint here?
That matches!
Yes! We found the missing Monster House footprints! Awesome job, squad! We did the math! We did the monster math!
Smooth Moves Monster said we should strut our stuff and follow the medium footprints.
Well then, let's strut, squad!
Strutting is fun!
The medium footprints lead to Monster Park.
So the missing Monster House must be here somewhere. But I don't see it.
Well, I don't see anything. The whole place is covered in yellow fur.
Yellow fur? Weird. Where?
Oh, it's you, Max. Hi.
Hey, what's up?
It is hard to see things with all these trees in the way. Maybe we could see things better from up on that jungle gym.
Jungle Gym!
Silly monsters.
Hey, why won't this gate monster let us on the jungle gym?
To climb the jungle gym, monsters must be the right size.
Did you see word monster? Then let's shout the secret monster math word size together again. On 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Size!
Look! A Monster Math Monitor!
A small monster on a skateboard. A small monster and a medium monster on a skateboard. A small monster and a medium monster. And a big monster on a skateboard. A big monster on a skateboard.
It's really good to know about small, medium, and big. I wonder what size we need to be allowed on the jungle gym.
To climb the jungle gym, you need to be medium size. You have to be above my toes and below my nose.
Above his toes and below his nose.
Am I the right height?
What do you think? Is Goo above the gate monster's toes? Sorry, Goo. You're below the gate monster's toes. You're too small.
Aww.
Oh, how about me?
Is Max the right height to climb the jungle gym?
Well, he's definitely above the toes. But is he below the nose?
You're right. Max isn't below the gate monster's nose. He's too big.
Oh.
How about you, Lily?
Yeah, maybe you're the right size to climb the jungle gym. What do you think? Is Lily the right size to climb the jungle gym? She has to be above the gate monster's toes and below his nose. Yes! Not too small and not too big.
Lily is medium. Woohoo! Climb the jungle gym, medium Lily!
Here I go!
What can you see up there?
I see the missing monster house. It's hidden behind those trees.
Let's go, squad! Excuse me, but do you belong to Mrs. Huge Horn Monster? Yes, I do.
Yay! We found you!
Don't hug me! That tickles!
No! Wait, come back!
Sorry about that. Tickling makes me run. I'm very ticklish. We promise we won't tickle you again.
Wait a minute. Is that why you ran away before? Because someone tickled you?
Yes.
Who?
Well, I think it was Fuzzy.
Mrs. Huge-Horn Monster's pet monster?
No, it couldn't have been Fuzzy tickling you. Look at him. He's so small he couldn't tickle a flea monster.
He's small in this picture, but remember when we saw him earlier with Mrs. Huge-Horn Monster?
I remember. Fuzzy was big.
And his fuzz was super long and super tickly.
So it was Fuzzy who tickled you.
I thought so.
If we promise that Fuzzy won't tickle you anymore, will you come home with us?
But Lily, how can we promise Fuzzy won't tickle the house anymore?
Leave that to me.
What's she doing?
She has a fuzzy clipper monster. It loves to clip fuzz.
Is that Fuzzy?
Yes! He got a haircut!
No more big fuzz means no more tickling. Yay!
And they all lived tickle-free ever after.
Monster Math-erific job, Monster Math Squad. We found the missing monster house. And we did it by knowing all about sizes, like small,
That's me!
medium,
That's me!
and big. That's me. That deserves a great big monster howl on 3. 1, 2, 3. We did the math! We did the monster math!
Big monster mess!
Oh, come on, you! Look, I made 2 goos!
And 2 goos are better than 1! 1 goo's pretty good, too.
He sure is. The Scream Screen always surprises Goo.
The Scream Screen! Somewhere in Monstrovia, there's a monster in need. And whenever a monster needs our care,
The Monster Math Squad will be
there! Hey, it's Mr. Cranky Pants Monster.
Hi, Mr. Cranky Pants Monster!
Phooey! I don't have time for chit-chat. I am very cranky today.
Why is that?
Because that mischievous mess monster is here.
Uh-oh. Mess Monster is a really mischievous monster.
Yes, and he's already messed up my monster socks.
How can we help you, Mr. Cranky Pants Monster?
I need you to match my socks back together while I try to catch that mess monster menace.
Don't worry. I'm sure we can match your socks using monster math.
Yeah! Monster Math can solve any problem!
Because Monster Math is everywhere!
Hurry! Wyatt!
Hey, will you join the Monster Math Squad on the job?
Join the squad! Join the squad!
You will? Cool. First, we need the secret monster math word that will help us get the job done.
Word Monster!
Today's secret monster math word is pears.
Next time you see Word Monster and hear him squawk, shout out the secret monster math word with us to make something math amazing happen.
Pears! Not yet, Goo. Wait until you see Word Monster again.
Oh, right!
All right, squad, let's go unmess some messed up socks.
Hold it! Oh, you!
What do you want us to do with all these mixed up socks, Mr. Cranky Pants Monster?
Sort them into pairs. Come back here, you mess-making menace!
Did you see Word Monster? That means we all need to shout the secret monster math word, pears. Are you ready? Let's shout it together on 3. 1, 2, 3, pears!
Look! A Monster Math Monitor!
A monster going skiing. A monster in a pair of mitts. A monster in a pair of ski boots. A monster on a pair of skis. A monster on a pair of crutches. Watch where you're going, please.
That was so helpful. Now we know all about pears.
Pairs are 2 things that go together, like socks.
Right, and pear is a math word. Come on, squad, we can do this. Let's do monster math!
To make a pair, we need to find another sock that looks just like this one.
This one?
Are these a pair? Oh, you're right. They're not. They're different colors. We need to find another sock that's red.
How about this one? It's the same color.
Yes! We found our first pair of monster socks. Good work, squad.
Which one goes with this?
A blue sock. I'll find another one just like it. Look, this one. It's blue too.
Well, they are the same color, but I don't think they look exactly the same.
What's the difference?
Do you see the difference? Of course! These two socks are not the same shape.
Oh yeah, I see that now.
We need to find a blue sock with this shape to make a pair.
This one?
Yes! We found another pair! Oh, math is fun. Let's find some more pairs.
What goes with this one? Do you see it? Where? Oh, there!
Yes! The same color and the same shape.
A pair! Yay!
What matches this one?
Oh, I see it.
Another pair! We're a sensational monster sock squad.
I found another pair. They look exactly alike.
That tickles.
Those aren't socks, Goo. They're Max's feet.
Not socks.
How about this sock? What goes with it?
This one. It's the same shape and color.
But there's something different about it. What's different? Right! It has a different pattern.
Oh yeah. One has polka dots and one has stripes.
We need to put these last two socks in pairs. So what goes with them?
This one goes with this one. See? Polka dots.
And we have one more sock with stripes.
There.
Yes! We put all the pairs of monster socks together. Awesome job, squad!
We did the math! We did the monster math! You haven't done all the math! Mess Mustard just messed up all my horn hoots!
What's a hootie horn? Hootie hoo... What?
Follow me! Horned hoots. There!
Aw, cute.
Except Mess Monster let them all out of their pens. Now I need you to catch them and put them back.
Well, that sounds simple enough.
We won't even need math to do that.
Put 2 in each pen.
2? Ugh, maybe we will need math.
Go, Mess Monster!
Okay, squad, let's put these hootie things back in their pens. 2 in each pen.
This is easy. 1, 2. Hey, they hopped out again.
Come on, whoop, let's go.
What's happening? We put 2 in. Why won't these noisy little hoots stay in their pens?
Horned hoots only like to share their pens in matching pairs.
Did you just see word monster? Then let's shout the secret monster math word pairs together again. On 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pairs!
A monster math monitor!
A pair of monsters with 2 noses. A pair of monsters with 3 toeses. A pair of monsters who slurp. A pair of monsters who burp. Manners monsters, please.
Thanks, Math Monitor. It's great to know about different kinds of pairs. I think that will really help us put these horned hoots into pairs.
Let's do monster math!
A pair are 2 things that go together. So which horned hoots look like they go together?
Let's do this together, squad. What hoot looks like it makes a pair with this one?
This one?
What do you think? Do these horned hoots make a pair?
There's something different about them.
Oh, I see. They have a different number of horns.
One has 2 horns and the other has 3.
Are there other hoots with the same number of horns?
I see a 2-horned hoot.
And I see a 3-horned hoot.
Grab them! Oh, frisky little critters.
There! 2 perfect pairs. Into the pens you go.
They're not escaping.
That means they're pairs and like to share the same pen.
All the rest of the hoots look exactly the same.
Then let's put 2 in each pen. 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh, they're hopping out. They're not happy.
They must not be in matching pairs after all. There must be something about the horned hoots that's not the same. But what could it be?
Oh, I can't think with all this noisy hooting.
Wait a minute! Hooting! Everyone, listen very carefully to the hoots. Do you hear that? Something is different about the hoots.
They sound different?
Yes! That must be it. These hoots make different sounds.
So all we have to do to put them in pairs is...
I know! Teach them to hoot the same way!
Or put the ones who hoot the same way in pairs.
Oh, I guess you could do that too.
Okay, which of the other hoots sound like this one?
That one! It sounds the same!
Let's find out if they really are a pair.
Yes! A perfect pair of horned hoots!
And these 2 hoots sound the same, so they're a pair.
We put all the horned hoots in pairs!
Well, I finally got this mess-making mess monster.
And we put your monster socks and horned hoots together.
And we did it by knowing all about pairs. That deserves a great big monster howl on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Howl!
We did the math!
We did the
monster math!